Today I am making a quick ribeye steak with brown rice, and then since I don't feel like going through so much cooking today, so I have these microwavable blended vegetables. It has awesome flavor in it, so when I don't feel like making fresh vegetables, I use this. And this is just a quick, easy meal that I like to make. I'll show you all my seasonings. So this is everything that we will be using today, or I will be using. I've chopped up my bell pepper and my onion already. The bowl, I've cleaned it. And I use this, I got it from Kroger's. It's a meat tenderizer. So I sprinkle this all over, and it's not like salt or anything, so you can put as much as you want until you feel like your meat is tenderized, or you know, whatever the case may be. So I did that. I have my I have my stove preheating up to get ready for me. And I use olive oil with everything. I don't cook with regular oil anymore. I'm going to use Mrs. Dash salt-free garlic and herb seasoning blend, and I'm gonna sprinkle that all over because it has like real pieces of garlic in this, so that is a plus. So we're gonna use the garlic and herb seasoning. We're just gonna sprinkle that evenly over our meat. Alright, so another one of my favorite seasonings is Nature Seasoning by Morton. And I know it's not the best. It does contain quite a bit of sodium in it, so I'm not going to use that much. But I love to use this for taste. Gives me that taste that I always want. So I need my seasoning, my Nature Seasoning blend. Alright, and I don't think we're going to use this today. We don't need this. We don't need this seasoned salt. So I'm just seasoning for taste right now. Another thing I use is Accent. Now Accent can get very salty on you, but Accent only has 60 milligrams of sodium. So this is actually way better than using Nature Seasoning. So this is a good one if you like this. 60% less sodium than salt. So I use this here. Accent really wakes up food as well. I love how it tastes when you get that, when you got that good seasoning over your food. What I'm going to do is put a little bit of my Iberla olive oil, and I'm just going to put some of that in our pan here, which has preheated. So it's almost about ready. What I'm gonna do is I'm about to saute my onions and bell peppers first before I make my steak. And that way it'll let my meat tenderizer sit a little bit on my steak. Actually, I'm gonna place this in the fridge. Right, so I have my olive oil in my pan, making sure my pan is coated by doing this here. All right, and then we're just gonna dump our cut up onions and peppers right on in there. And I like to let this saute for about 15, depending how long it takes for my onions to get how I want them. But I'm gonna pour a little bit of my favorite balsamic vinaigrette into the pan. I feel like this helps it as well. Gives it that caramelized thing I'm looking for. But yes, pour some of that into my pan. And then I'm just gonna let this cook down. Alright, so I'm just about done sauteing these right here. Now I'm just going to dump them over in my little glass bowl. then they're gonna get cooked some more once I throw them in with the steak after it's. Sauteed onions and peppers. I'm gonna just put a little bit more of this in the pot. Not too much. Make sure. And here we go with the steak, y'all. Alright, so I have my steaks here. I'm just gonna go ahead and drop them in one by one. Yummy, yummy. Throw those extra seasoning off. Alright, so our steaks are cooking. So I just put a bag of rice in the water to boil over here, and I'm gonna add my Earth Balance organic butter. It's like a vegan butter, way better than regular butter. And I'm just gonna take a big old teaspoon and pop it in there. Cook with my brown rice, and then we're gonna steak's looking good. Alright, y'all, here is the finished meal. My phone died while I was recording. But here we have the 10-minute brown rice, the antioxidant vegetable mix that I showed you guys in the box, our caramelized onions and peppers, and then we have our ribeye steak. And it all took about a good 30 to 35 minutes for all of this to get done. But I hope you guys try it, and I hope you like it when you try it. And these are quick and easy meals.